So in this session we'll start with this chemical reactions of ether after completion of preparations of ether. Next is chemical reactions. Means हमने ether बना तो लिया सर, अब करेंगे क्या? तो उसके chemical properties देखेंगे यहाँ पे. So when ether treated with HI, so HI is nothing but H plus plus I minus. So when ether is treated with HI, we get CH3I and C2H5I. ये बोर्ड में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या हो रहा है ये रिएक्शन में, वो की रिएक्शन से समझते हैं. सो की रिएक्शन क्या है? ROR dash means ether when treated with HX, hello acid, so you get R dash X plus ROH. Means at the end of first step you get one alcohol and one haloalkane. ROH means alcohol further treated with HX, and you get your RX and H2O, water molecule is released. So likewise this reaction is going on. This reaction having a two step, वो हम नीचे mechanism में discuss करते हैं. One more important point, order of reactivity of HX means ये hello acid की reactivity क्या होगी सर? यहाँ पे आपने HI लिया है, अगर HBr ले तो, या फिर HCl क्यों नहीं लिया आपने? The answer is here in case we have to take a such kind of hello acid which can release H plus immediately. So obviously HI can release H plus immediately, then HBr, then HCl. वही पुराना फंडा चैप्टर 10 में किया था. Iodine is less electronegative, larger in size, which can release this H plus very easily. याद आ रहा है कि नहीं? So that's why this is the order of HI is greater than HBr is greater than HCl. Now mechanism, how can we get this two product? ये दो प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनेगा? स्टेप बाय स्टेप डिस्कस करते हैं. So mechanism start with CH3OC2H5 treated with HI. H plus plus I minus. This H plus is once again attracted by means of non-bonding pair of electron. We get CH3O H CH2 CH3. There is a positive charge on oxygen. This because oxygen having three valencies. Now इसी के ऊपर I minus attack करेगा, but attack is SN2 like. SN2 like का मतलब पीछे की तरफ से iodine introduce होगा. Means CH3OH CH2 CH3. This is the end of the first product. ये I पीछे से अटैक करेगा. मीन्स I is about to join with methyl and methyl is about to live with oxygen. याद आ रहा है SN2 reaction mechanism? ऐसा ही सेम सिचुएशन था. This is highly unstable, that's why I kept it in a box also. Once again, iodine is about to join with methyl and methyl is about to live with oxygen. For a fraction of second, for a moment, it is highly unstable. Immediately CH3I release हो जाएगा and what we get alcohol plus CH3I. That is one of the work product. अगर आपको याद हो तो की रिएक्शन में हमने देखा था. फिर से एक बार दिखा रहे हैं. ROR dash plus HX, we get R dash X plus ROH. So एक alkyl halide, एक alcohol. देखिए at the end of first reaction mechanism we get one alcohol and one is alkyl halide. Now we moved on to the second step. की रिएक्शन में second step क्या देखा था? ROH plus HX. मीन्स ये जो ROH बना उसी से रिएक्शन को आगे प्रोसीड किया, फिर से HX से ट्रीटमेंट किया. एंड ऑफ दैट वी गेट RX plus H2 रिलीज. तो अब ये स्टेप हमें डिस्कस करना है. So at the end of first product we get alcohol. So alcohol once again treated with HI. That is nothing but H plus plus I minus. ये H फिर से O के साथ जुड़ जाएगा. You get CH3 CH2 OH2 plus which is highly unstable. यहाँ से OH2 निकल जाएगा. We have CH3 CH2 plus and H2O is released. Now we get carbocation. यही carbocation. So at the end of second step we get carbocation. यही carbocation के ऊपर iodine I minus introduce हो जाएगा. We get CH3 CH2I. So likewise we get our second alkyl halide. So once again जो statement था, statement देख लेते हैं उसके साथ. CH3O C2H5 plus HI. What we get? We get CH3I plus C2H5I. CH3I at the end of this first reaction हमें मिला, ये देख लीजिए. और at the end of second step we get CH3 CH2I. That is our second step. So likewise this reaction is done. ऐसा ही एक और रिएक्शन नीचे हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, स्टेप नंबर 2. दूसरा रिएक्शन CH3 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 OCH3 plus HI. Once again it is H plus plus I minus. We have a CH3OH I C CH3 CH3 CH3. अब ये कैसे बना? मैकेनिज्म डिस्कस करते हैं. C CH3 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 OCH3 plus HI. HI is nothing but H plus plus I minus. Once again this H plus is attacked on non-bonding pair of electron of oxygen. We get CH3 over CH3. Now this is highly unstable, fraction of second में ये bond टूटेगा. Now there is two probability. अगर bond यहाँ से भी टूट सकता है, एक bond यहाँ से भी टूट सकता है. तो क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, सर ये बॉन्ड यहाँ से ना टूटते हुए यहाँ से ही क्यों टूटा? Just because if bond break down from this direction, then we get stable tertiary carbocation which is more stable, and due to this methanol is eliminated from a system. Once again I repeat my words. अगर बॉन्ड यहाँ से टूटता तो we get tertiary alcohol and methyl cation. बट अगर जो बॉन्ड यहाँ से टूट रहा है then we get tertiary carbocation means methyl cation and tertiary which is more stable. Tertiary stability of order क्या है? Tertiary preferable, secondary is preferable to primary. So that's why bond breakdown from here and we get tertiary carbocation and methanol is released. So this tertiary carbocation I minus introduce हो जाएगा ये सिस्टम में. You get CH3 and I. Got it? ऐसा एक और क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में एक या दो बार पूछा हुआ, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, anisole. When treated with HI, we get phenol and methyl iodide, and we don't get any iodobenzene and methanol. Why? Once again, जैसे हमने ऊपर ब्रेकडाउन देखा, ऐसे ही यहाँ पे दो क्लेवेजेस पॉसिबल है. When anisole is treated with HI, there are two types of cleavages. One cleavage done by this part, that is A cleavage. Another breakdown takes place over here, that is called as B cleavage. So now A cleavage and B cleavage, अगर A cleavage हो रहा है तो we get stable phenoxide ion and we get phenol and methyl iodide. Means H यहाँ पे जुड़ जाएगा and CH3I यहाँ पे जाएगा. बट जो अगर B cleavage हो रहा है तो we get highly unstable phenyl cation. हाईली यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेता हूं. अगर A cleavage होगा तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? सबसे पहले लिखिए स्टेबल फिनॉक्साइड आयन, एंड B cleavage होगा तो अनस्टेबल फिनाइल कैटायन. सो B cleavage HI के साथ होगा, we don't get any stable, highly unstable phenyl cation. That's why we don't get any iodobenzene and methanol. So ये एक या दो बार बोर्ड में पूछा हुआ है, अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ ईथर. Next we have a electrophilic substitution reaction. In each and every chapter end we found this electrophilic substitution reaction. That's why I tell you in 11th standard ये 5 electrophilic substitution reaction अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा. Once again we start with anisole, concentrated HNO3 H2SO4, that is nothing but nitrating reagent. Nitration होगा. Now OCH3 is the ortho-para-directing group. Upcoming introduced on ortho-nitro and para-nitro. Out of this ortho and para is major one, ortho is minor one. Now Br2 in CH3COOH means acetic acid. Bromination, once again bromination done on ortho and para. Ortho is minor one, para is major one. CH3Cl AlCl3. Once again, this is nothing but Friedel-Crafts alkylation, which introduced methyl on ortho, methyl on para. Ortho is minor one, para is major one. This is Friedel-Crafts acetylation. CH3COCl anhydrous AlCl3 introduce COCH3. So COCH3 on ortho position and COCH3 in para position. This is minor, this is major. Likewise, this is nothing but electrophilic substitution reaction. First is nitration, second is bromination, third is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and fourth is Friedel-Crafts acetylation. So this is all about your ether part. In this session, we will complete discussion about chemical reactions of ether. Next, we have a small topic available that is called physical property that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.